So I've got the creation kit now loaded up, and here's the example, and all I'm going to do is duplicate the deliverer, call it the refuser, and I don't need those. I don't need those, but I do need a new anims file. And I need different mod association. I need to create one, not add one. And of course you'd normally have sound and everything like that, but just as an example, just setting that up. We'll need to come back once all the mods are set up. I'm going to do exactly the same process for the mods. So I'm just going to take the basic ones, and I'm not really going to do all of this because that will take too long, but it's important to remember, well, not to edit first of all, but this will, if you just use the standard fallout setup, the value arranges the receivers, the barrels, everything like that. So the cost of it denotes where it goes. So the cheapest one will be at the top, and then the most expensive one will be at the bottom. So, and then the construction object could create all of that. I don't really need to for the purposes of this test, but you need to create all of those three parts of it. But all I'm going to do is just this bit, and I'm going to actually remove all of these out because I haven't done that, but it will be fine. Oh, didn't mean to do that. And you'd normally link your mismod there. So that's one set up. Let's do the receiver. So this is where I do need to put this through. There we go, there's our model. I haven't spent a lot of time on the textures, just sort of took the contrast down on the green channel. That's about it. And it does need the slide adding in. So make sure you add that in there. And that's the main thing to add in. So we also need to do the bolt. Where is the bolt? Maybe I didn't create one. So sorry if that wasn't working before. I think the 10mm was definitely working. But I've got a feeling the deliverer wasn't. But it's fine to use this one. So what have we got? We got the receiver and the bolt. That should be enough to get that all working. So what have we got? We really need to do the receiver, the dummy receiver anyway, the dummy parent. And then in the object template, I'll just delete these out for testing purposes. I think we only really need those. Oh, that hasn't quite aligned correctly, but that's probably from me using the the rig incorrectly. I think I parented it to a different weapon and then used the deliverer, so that's why that's all gone a bit awry. I think I needed to do a completely different one, but you get the idea. If you've got those two bits, it should all go through. Now, where is the bolt? The bolt's in the right place, which is good. And what I'll do is we'll carry on. I'll fix that separately, and then we can test it out. Because the creation kit bit is nearly done, so we've got the additive here already set up. If I just duplicate that and take these both out, take that out, there we go. So that's added on. Let's just double check things. So it needs this for the tactical reload, needs this for the animations to play as well as that. Don't want it as a featured item, so I'll take that off. Has bolt lock is really important. That's a bit that will allow it to slide back. I think that's pretty much everything covered. So I'm going to save that, fix the mesh, and then I'll do a last bit of actual testing.